ಸೊ ಹಲೋ ಫೋಕ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅನ್ನಪೂರ್ಣೇಶ್ವರಿ ಕಾರ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 16 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 16 ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್, ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ later. So let me start with the ones that are here. As you know, you can contact me like on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, anywhere. You can just comment, or in the caption the details and the link of all the vehicles that are here will be given. So let's go with the first vehicle of the day. This is the Maruti Suzuki SX4 ZXi. ZDI. It's a diesel vehicle. It's a top-end vehicle which has ABS, airbags, alloy wheels, and it has been driven 1 lakh kilometer. As you can see, I'll just turn on the lights. So the car comes with full security, as in the airbags and ABS. It's a fully certified vehicle. Also, you get 6 months warranty. And ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 3,60,000 and it's slightly negotiable. It's a single owner vehicle. Light bumper touch-ups ಆಗಿದೆ. Other than that, everything is good. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. So second vehicle ಬಂದು Etios Liva. ಇದು ಬಂದು V version. Again, this also has alloy wheels. This car also comes with AC, power steering and power window. It's a dual tone vehicle. As you can see, it's a dual tone vehicle. Vehicle is in a good condition. Idu ashte bumper touch-ups bitre the paint is original. It's a single owner vehicle and idu 75,000 ಓಡಿದೆ. ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 4,75,000 ಕೋಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. But it's the price is negotiable, as you know. So let's go to the third vehicle, that is Swift VDI 2014 model. It's a second owner vehicle. This vehicle has been driven around 78,000. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ 6 months ವಾರಂಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Again, light touch-ups ಆಗಿದೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ. Other than that, everything is the original paint. Also, this vehicle comes with AC, power steering and power window again. This is a 4K video, and that's why you can't see the darker places clearly. Okay, that's not seen. So vehicle bandi, it's been quoted around 5.25 lakhs. You can take a screenshot if you want. But it's a negotiable price. You can see the number. So let's go to the fourth car, which is again a Swift and same model idunu. can see the vehicle number. Okay, so this is a 2014 model single owner car. The previous one was the second owner. This is the single owner car. Again, in a good condition, well maintained car. You get warranty, if you can see. Body line, tires, ಎಲ್ಲ perfect ಆಗಿದೆ. You don't have to spend a single rupee. It's ready to eat ಆ ಥರ vehicle. Again, this also comes with AC, power steering and power window. Well maintained car. You can see the paint is also original in the car. Small scratches there, but I guess it's manageable. Nothing to worry. Like major ಏನು ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, issues ಇಲ್ಲ. So again, this vehicle is also priced the same, 5.25 lakhs, slight negotiable. So let's go to the fifth car, which is a Type 1 Swift. Once upon a time, Type 1 Swift was people loved vehicle. As you can see, it's a blue color vehicle. The best part is that idu bandu single owner vehicle. You can see the details here. 2008 single owner, 89,000 driven with comprehensive insurance. Idu bandi again, it's quoted around 2.75 lakhs. Again, the same features like AC, power steering and power window. I guess you'll be able to see inside of this vehicle clearly. I guess it's clear. Again, one more well maintained car. You can see there's no difference in the paint. I'm not telling because it's video. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗು ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. I'm showing you the whole car now. It's a good deal. A single owner vehicle, 2008. I guess 2.75 lakhs. A bit negotiable price would be a good deal on this. Again, so let's move to the next one, which is a Maruti van. It's a 2008 Maruti van, 5-seater vehicle. Again, it's in a good condition. I want to say that major touch up agide vehicle alli, but the car is in a good condition. As you can see, touch up ella correct agi agide, because this thing had a bit of rusting which was going on. Other than that, the vehicle is in a good condition. Engine is like 100% new. Don't have to worry about the engine. So this is a 2008 model second owner vehicle with a third party insurance, and this vehicle is quoted around 1.8 lakhs. Again, negotiable. So let's go to the old beast, which is Getz 2009 model. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ, I mean, this particular vehicle is only driven 38,000. Only 38,000. Again, a well maintained vehicle, as you can see. It's a really well maintained vehicle. Genuine 38,000 kilometers ಓಡಿದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. It's a single owner vehicle and it also has a comprehensive insurance. Tires are as good as new. Don't have to worry about the tires. Car ಅಂತೂ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So this car is quoted around 2.25 lakhs, slight negotiable. Don't worry, we'll negotiate a bit more itself. Interested though, you can, as you know, you can contact me everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಲಿಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So let's move on to the next car, that is 2013 Ford Figo ZXi 1.4 diesel, which is a single owner vehicle. Again, 75,000 driven, a well maintained grey color vehicle. So I don't know if you can see. Okay, that's not that clear. Again, a well maintained vehicle idu, no? Tires are also as good as new. Light touch-ups agide. I wouldn't say no, because you know the Bangalore traffic, right? None of the cars can be like a new one, a brand new. Again, this vehicle is quoted around 3.40 lakhs, that is 3,40,000, slight negotiable. You can go through the details here. So let's move on to the next vehicle. So ನಮ್ಮ next vehicle ಬಂದು Santro Zing GLS 2007, second owner, 94,000 driven with comprehensive insurance. So the price quoted is 210. Don't worry, not a fixed price. Again, I know it's a bit more for the vehicle, as everybody knows, but yeah, we can close it at a good price, not to worry. So again, a grey color second owner vehicle, well maintained, which comes with AC, power steering and power window. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಪವರ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್, ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್. ವೆಲ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್. So let's move on to the next vehicle, that is Hyundai i20, the Type 1 Gen 1, whatever you call it as. i20 asta petrol idu, 2009 model, maroon color. Again, this is a single owner vehicle, 78,000 driven with comprehensive insurance. So this vehicle is quoted around 3.45 lakhs, that is 3,45,000. I guess a bit negotiation would be worth for the vehicle. Yeah, negotiation made martivi. None of the cars that we have are fixed price vehicles. So again, a well maintained vehicle, 76,000 ಓಡಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Tires are okay, not bad. I can say they are okay. But yeah, single owner andre, you know how well the car would be maintained, and ನಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ. So this is again 2009 i20 Asta, single owner, comprehensive insurance ಇದೆ 3.45 lakhs, that is 3,45,000, slight negotiable. So we'll be moving on to the 7-seater vehicles now. So this is the Toyota Fortuner 4x4. A silver color beast. You can say it's a beast, very much a beast. This is again a 2012 second owner vehicle. ಇದು 1,66,000 ಓಡಿದೆ. A well maintained car. You can see how shining it is. This is a 4x4 vehicle, so it has a normal gear and a 4x4 gear, as you can see here. Interiors completely well ಆಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this car is quoted around 13.25 lakhs. Negotiation is on for this car again. Good tires are good. Don't have to worry about the tires. The alloys are good. No scratches on the alloys. Everything, the door handle, you see, and the car is in a perfect condition. Whatever you touch, feel, it's in a perfect working condition. And ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೀಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು see the vehicle, it's 2012 Fortuner 4x4 top end variant. ಇದು 13.25 lakhs, that is 13,25,000 ಕೋಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Negotiable again. Let's move on to the next vehicle, that is Mahindra XUV 500, the people's favorite beast, I can say. It's a 2012 again, 2012 second owner vehicle, maroon color. You can see the interiors are good, well maintained. It comes with AC, power steering, power window, 2 airbags, and Mahindra XUV has more features than compared to the Fortuner. So again, new tires with alloys is there. W6 variant idu, Mahindra XUV W6 variant. So W6 doesn't have alloy wheel, but ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗೆ alloy wheel additional ಇದೆ. So this vehicle is quoted around 6.25 lakhs, slight negotiable. Again, if you want to see the details sheet, it's here. So moving on to the next vehicle, that is 2009 Fortuner. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇಬಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. It's a 2009 second owner Innova, 1,87,000 ಓಡಿದೆ. Well maintained vehicle again. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್, ಒನ್ ಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇದು. ಅಗೇನ್ 1,87,000 driven, second owner vehicle with a third party insurance, and this vehicle is quoted around 6.5 lakhs only. V version, top end variant. So yeah, a nice vehicle, again in stock vehicle. Moving on to the next vehicle, that is Toyota Innova, again 2009 and 10 registered vehicle, which is a grey color vehicle, and it's a second owner vehicle. So again, this vehicle is genuine driven, mileage is 1,30,000. Let me show you the detail sheets. $7.40 lakh quote agide. Again, it can be negotiated. So yeah, these many vehicles, and there's one more vehicle that's a sedan beast that is waiting out. That is a Civic 2007 model, of which I'll be giving details in the next video, because it's too dark for me to tell about that car. I guess so many cars are in stock. ಈ ಕಾರ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಆದರೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇರೋ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್, ಕಮೆಂಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, DM ಮಾಡಿ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕಾರ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾರ್, or you want any other car that is not in my inventory, please let me know. I'll be getting you the car in like 2 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ. So we are located in Rajajinagar, Bangalore, and opposite ನೀವೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, that is the ESI hospital, and right in front of the main gate we are located, Annapurneshwari Cars anta. So I'll drop the contact details in the description. Please get back if you like any of the inventory, or if you need anything else other than these, you can feel free to contact, feel free to WhatsApp anytime. You'll get a response. So these are the inventory. Any comments, any mistake madidre, if I have to correct anything, please let me know in the comments down. Thank you.